Basically, I wrote all that report, and there's a visual I did there. This is called a hierarchy chart. For example, let me look at this subtheme 1. For subtheme 1, theme 1, and it's in order to just number your themes so that they are well organized. For the subtheme 1, if we right click and go to visualize and go to hierarchy chart of codes, you can see, and then select the sunburst here, which is the second option, and then go inside. You can see this is the hierarchy chart I have in my report. That's how I made such a hierarchy chart. I've used hierarchy charts. Another thing I've used is the mind map. Okay, for example, let's look at theme 2, atrial fibrillation symptoms. If we come here, we go to explore, let's go to mind maps, and let's go to call this number 2, just a random number. So let's draw this mind map, as you can see in my findings report. What I did is I copied this, I paste there, expand this. Then I go to the child idea section, click on that. Another child idea section, click on that. I go to drumming, I copy that. It's just a matter of copy and paste. So I copied that. Okay. Then I went to fatigue, code properties, copy that. Control A. Okay. So basically that's how I drew that. Then I formatted it without color, and that's the mind map. This is called a mind map. That's the mind map you see in my work. So basically the findings report is explaining the findings and how they came about, how we developed the themes, how we developed the sub-themes, and then getting some visuals such as the hierarchy chart, tables, and mind maps to make our report more interesting.